थोड़ा ये साइड सर दिस साइड राम सर दिस साइड राइट साइड से सर यहाँ पे सर मैम यहाँ पे मैम सेंटर अपना नीचे दबा के रखो Here, ma'am. This side. Ma'am. Ma'am on center. And here, please. Right here, पे. Ma'am, अपने पास एक इंटरव्यू करो. सामने. फोटो. यहाँ पे राइट सेंटर यस हमारा Thank you.
So we are doing the vintage collection in the kitchen now. You'll see it, I think, as my channel grows. But the rest of my house is pretty modern. But I thought it's nice to have the kitchen little like. And the vintage is also in style right now, so it's actually modern.
रोल करके आने जाना है
You have
दूसरों का काम करना है।
what do you have to say?
First of all, thank you to her. Secondly, so stainless steel kitchens in vintage collection, highlighted and showcased with Farah ma'am. That would be the best
I
thing.
think the best thing about that is that the front is vintage, and when you open it, it's really like new age. Stainless steel, no need of no cockroaches, no wood rotting, no the usual things that Indian kitchens suffer from.
So when we met Farah ma'am, she had only one thing in mind: wear and tear, durability and hygiene. I have to have that thing in my kitchen because she was very clear about hygiene and she wanted something that can be used by the maid. As you see, Dilip continuously banging the doors and hanging on to things. Still the kitchen is not damaged just because it's Lucia 7 stainless steel kitchen. And that too we are upgrading it with a vintage look, one of its kind in the world right now. That would be showcased in the initial days with Farah ma'am.
So when do we get to see that?
On our channel, I'm training them how to do it faster.
Yes.
And definitely you will see it, I think, by next month
When will it get back?
in the vlog when they get back from the ground. Okay, bye.
All right.
मैम,
नहीं मैं उसे
एक सवाल है कि आपको फैंस सबसे से इंतजार कर रहा है कि माय दुनिया भी सोशल मीडिया पर चल रहा है, कब तक साल के साथ काम करेंगे?
अरे मैं भी बहुत क्या बोला आपने बेताब हूँ, मैं भी बहुत बेताब हूँ।
तो आपकी जब पिक्चर शूटिंग होगा तो क्या किचन सेटअप लगेगा आपको पिक्चर में कहीं ना कहीं सरकार
खर्चा शंकर
किचन
देगा।
में इतने फेमस है तो कहीं ना कहीं किचन तो डिमांड आएगा ही।
घर का सीन वाला किचन लगेगा बट थोड़ा वियर्ड क्वेश्चन।
शी इज द डायरेक्टर बाय से वो स्क्रिप्ट में डाल सकते हैं
कंपनी का
बॉलीवुड में मतलब जिनके घर पे अरे सबके मैं जब जाती हूँ पीपल आर लवली किचन एंड एवरी किचन इज यूनिक टू दैट पर्सन पर्सनैलिटी। कुछ लोग बहुत खाना बनाते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं बनाते हैं, तो सबका किचन आई थिंक इज द हार्ट ऑफ द हाउस।
so that the residential kitchen can be used in stainless steel with the same look and feel that they want. So this is all the subject, getting convinced with the product.
Today you spoke about vintage kitchen, that vintage kitchen.
Vintage.
That's a very interesting term. Tell us about it.
As we are selling stainless steel kitchens, we have 23 stores across India. So there was a huge requirement that we don't want a flat thing. We need the thing which the wooden can do. There's a colonial and a vintage look can be developed. So this has taken us 2 years of innovation and R&D to develop the vintage finish. And that vintage finish is now capturing the 30% of the business for us.
What are the future plans? Where do we travel in India? How many more stores?
So future plan is basically we having a
बोलो
We are the first only Indian brand
बस
to
लास्ट
get its footsteps in international market. So we have our Dubai store coming up. We have our own store coming up in Milan.
मेरे यहाँ पे
These are the kind of basic future
लोग
plans that
एक
we have.
एक
In India, we are there with 23 outlets and one of its kind
ठीक है
everywhere.
ओके
And we are having 10
Okay,
more in
ठीक.
pipeline. That's the only plan for India right now. But internationally,
Right.
taking a brand which can be a statement for the Indian manufacturers as an international player. So we are the manufacturer, Pusha 7. We are the
ठीक
brand
बात है.
Pusha 7, and we are going international very soon. That's the future plan.
What is the message for the audience who are looking at transforming their kitchens for future
For
self?
the audience and for the people, whoever wants to have a kitchen with hygiene, with the durability, and let their maid bang it day and night, please come and visit Pusha 7. Across India, we have every city available with Pusha 7.
Thank you so much.